Hello students, myself Aman Thakur. In today's lecture we will discuss about the classification of polymers. As we discussed in the previous videos that what are polymers, polymers are commonly classified according to thermal effect, or we can say that polymers are chemical substance of a high molecular mass formed by the combination of large number of simple molecules called monomers, right? So how these are classified? As you can see in here, polymers are classified into two classes. One is plastic, another one is rubber. In plastic, it is further divided into the two parts, thermoplastics and thermosets. And rubbers are classified into elastomers. Then thermoplastics are further classified into the two, that is crystalline and amorphous. Now let's discuss in detail about all these. Number one, plastic. What is plastic? A synthetic material made from a wide range of organic polymers such as polythene, PVC, nylon, etc. that can be molded into shape while soft and then set into a rigid or slightly elastic form. That are plastics. Then what are rubbers? Rubbers क्या होती हैं? A tough elastic polymeric substance made from the latex of a tropical plant or synthetically. That are rubbers. What are thermoplastics? It is a plastic polymer which becomes more soft when heated and hard when cooled. थर्मोप्लास्टिक इज दैट टाइप ऑफ पॉलीमर जिसको अगर हम हीट करेंगे तो ये सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा और अगर हम इसको कूल करेंगे तो ये हार्ड हो जाएगा. Thermoplastic materials can be cooled and heated several times without any change in the chemical or mechanical properties. But where thermoplastics are heated to their melting point, they melt to a liquid. For example, polythene. Polythene is the one of the example of thermoplastics. Then thermosettings क्या होती हैं? What are thermosetting polymers? These polymers are only be heated and shaped once. ये वो polymers हैं जिनको हम सिर्फ एक ही बार में shape दे सकते हैं, बार बार हम इसकी shape को change नहीं कर सकते. A thermosetting plastic is a polymer that irreversibly becomes rigid and when heated, such a material is also known as thermoset or thermosetting polymers. मतलब वो पॉलीमर्स जिनकी शेप को हम दोबारा चेंज नहीं कर सकते अगर हम उसको एक बार किसी शेप में ढाल देते हैं, तो दैट आर thermosetting type of polymers. But in case of thermoplastics, we can change their shape according to our need. Then elastomers. What are elastomers? In natural or synthetic polymer having elastic properties, example rubber. इलास्टोमर वो चीज़ जिसमें इलास्टिक प्रॉपर्टी हो. फॉर एग्जांपल रबर, अगर हम रबर को स्ट्रेच करेंगे तो उसका जो साइज़ है वो इंक्रीज़ हो जाएगा इन द लेंथ. बट अगर हम उस रबर को छोड़ देते हैं तो वो अगेन दोबारा अपने नेचुरल साइज़ में जो है आ जाती है. Here you can see the difference between the thermoplastics and thermosetting polymers. Number one, these are the plastics that can be deformed easily on heating and can be bent also. But in case of thermosetting polymers, these are the plastics that cannot be softened by heating once they are molded. मतलब कि जो थर्मोप्लास्टिक्स है उसको हम डीफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, उसको हम दोबारा से बना सकते हैं, दोबारा उसको हम शेप प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं, उसको हम बेंड कर सकते हैं. बट जो थर्मोसेटिंग प्लास्टिक्स होती हैं उसको हम दोबारा सॉफ्ट करके उसकी शेप को दोबारा नहीं बना सकते अगर वो इसको हम एक बार ऑलरेडी क्रिएट कर चुके हैं. इन थर्मोप्लास्टिक्स दे आर यूज्ड फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कार्स, टॉयज एंड कंटेनर्स. बट इन थर्मोसेटिंग प्लास्टिक्स बेकेलाइट्स आर यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग इलेक्ट्रिकल स्विचेस, हैंडल्स फॉर वेरियस यूटेंसिल्स एक्सेट्रा. Now there is the conclusion of this video. Both thermoplastics and thermosets are widely used in commercial applications. Number two, the primary difference between thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics is their response to heat due to the chemical structure. And the last conclusion is, if there is one major difference that distinguished both plastics is that thermoplastic can be reused, but thermoset plastic cannot be reused. Thank you.